My name na Confidence David.
My name na Precious Enyayeko. When I started my career that time, na still business, but na business and career. When I started that time, na just strictly traditional, because I been dey sell clothes when I just finished NYSC around 2013. So I go dey carry the clothes, they go one local government office, they go bank. Imagine carrying 2 Ghana must go, young girl, small girl, I don't know, say I feel do am better. And that time Instagram been dey, just they come up, before everybody that time. And people wey get iPhone get Instagram that time. So but one of my friends tell me, say, this thing called Conga Day, say instead of to dey carry all your market up and down, put them for Conga, put them for, all this online marketplace. And I did that, just that little, that little technology I applied. Then, I later joined Facebook, joined Instagram. I can't dey sell my market, I can't dey deliver outside Abuja for that time. So yeah, that little decision I made, helped my business.
That time in the go government house, one person want this thing, I help and do say that IT girl where they come around, I go help person do something. Now we one man back in the day, that time iPad just they come out. He buy iPad, he no fit put the email on top of. I said, I don't go lie give me. I never get iPad at the time. I never touch any iPad. So I don't sabi how to even do them. So I said, one come. I said, this one where they come say this big man won't do this thing. I said, I go just go try my luck. And I was I dey encourage girls, women, make you dey bold. All of us they win this thing. No be like say you don't sabi and keep many times. So sometimes you go get opportunities. You go just carry, strong mind, take go face am. Now I tell her, say I hear say you get this thing. I won't show I'm waiting to do. So that next time he no go need me. This sharp power they sharp. I know say waiting I go tell her make it do. So the man go say, yeah, this kind of one where they carry can't give me today. Now small madam. Now I can't tell, say press here. He walk out. This program they call Digi Girls. Now we and the UK FCDO, that's Foreign Commonwealth and Development Office, now we partner. So FCDO, they fund us to do this work. And what do we do? We train thousands of women and girls aged 15 to 40 years with basic to intermediate digital skills. Like I talked earlier, cybersecurity in advance. But if we never give the basic to people yet, they won't reach that other high side. And plus, women, we have to hustle too, to get money. So these skills like this, where they in demand, where these intermediate skills where they in demand, we can't package them, can't give them to women for free. Some of them they learn physically for 2 of our hubs, for Lagos and Kaduna, while the rest of them they learn virtually. The last time we do, I'm now 4,000 women take benefit for this thing. 4,000 of them free training, and the stories where you don't get they yafu everywhere. Some girls like they don't get work for bank because of this short 3 months training. They don't get many jobs. Some of them don't open businesses where they are social media manager, where they don't become. They help, they hustle their small money. They take whole side.
Tempo started, as a community. Start like community, for this part of the world. Business no easy like that, just no be say you go just start business today, tomorrow profits go enter. It take different things to make you succeed for business. So I start to help women, find other women, because if you create community of women, this one gets tech skill, this one gets business skill, this one gets, so different skill coming together, to help women build sustainable business. Now I start Tempo, because I like business. I like to do business. I don't like corporate work.
We know what make women they disadvantaged to get job opportunities. Now why this training day very necessary, and we don't so far train 6,000 directly, but what we don't see be say women now give us them bit too. So we women to won't pay forward. Waiting a say pay it forward. They won't also train other people. So we can't create structure where the women we train, fit train other people. So we can't choose 100 of them. 100 of them go train another 100. So although we don't train 6,000 directly, 10,000 other people they train in different communities. That's 16,000. I had an opposite, experience. My papa tell me many times from the age of 7, say, in you, I have 7 sons. Now waiting my papa to tell me several. I mean, not truly understand that the meaning, but later I can't understand. They mean they tell me say I gather, say make man know, make I not feel inferior to man. Unfortunately, that's not the case for a lot of girls.
Yes.
So waiting I do when I see those kind of people, I take them personal. Because you see, the girl where we they help today, me now one person there I help me, but now thousands of people I don't they help. So the one person where we feel help, I go that extra mile to help that person. How? Sometimes you get reason with the parents.
Yeah.
Waiting with their fear. Sometimes I know they get the opportunity to get that reasoning. Maybe because I know we fit physically go fit see them. But I go train the girl, teach the girl waiting to talk. Understand waiting with their challenge first, where they say make do them. If not out of ignorance, you go take a nice way educate your parents.
They enthusiastic, but we need to take technology to them, because in those parts of the world it's not easy to just access tech like that. Most of them they not even they where tech they don't even know waiting be tech. They just know say they want more for themselves. So waiting we feel go there, create online classes for them, because most of them, apart from even tech, they don't even they go school, So we feel create education, we feel make them simple, explain tech in the simplest form for them, create that, and also create platforms where they can thrive entrepreneurship wise, business wise. It's not enough to give these people, like they say, rich, maybe we give them fish, maybe we teach them how to catch fish. So we have to go in our numbers to teach these people tech, to give them opportunities to learn these things. And it's not just by making it known to them, is also giving them the equipment, because most of them cannot even afford it. Is giving them the equipment to say, oh, you've learned it, come and implement what you've learned, right? So yeah, it's just making tech available in those areas and teaching them and giving them the equipment.
No, they do good work in silence. A lot of us, they say move in silence. No be this kind of thing they do move in silence. If they do good work, make you show other people say this work you they do among. Because now from there, where you go feel attractive, people go fit help you, with funding, the people will feel help you with their time, the people will go feel support you with advice, now from there.
Imagine woman where they sell agege bread. I'm sure she would have thought about it that, oh, this bread gets like strawberry flavor, but she'll be like, I beg, now stupid idea, I beg, which one be strawberry bread? But imagine we going there, helping them and telling them that, see, this your idea is not stupid. That's providing knowledge, opening their eyes to see that there's a way they can innovate their business, and also all those women know their social media. They don't even know now only Facebook, or they scroll, they check waiting they trend, and so they forward message for WhatsApp. Now only that one they know. But imagine as a group, we go there, say, madam, won't open Instagram page for you. We go snap the picture, we go help you post them. Now, for more they sell, no worry, we go snap them. Carry professional photographer, do video, because the world now is big on visuals.
But if they do good work, they just do the work, go hide under one place. They use social media. A lot of people, when I talk social media, they think only Instagram, they think only Twitter. Carry and go LinkedIn too. That professional network, especially if what they do for woman, that professional something, go put them for them, make more people see what they do. By so doing, you go slowly over time with consistency. Maybe something we go do one time, drop and say, this thing they work, move on. You do it consistently. Before you know people go want identify with you, your work go grow, and you self go there fulfilled.
Also, teach them financial market. See, they are not accountable financially. They don't sell, apart from their job, 100 naira, 1,000 where they do, they no get, they eat their profit, eat their capital, eat everything. But when you provide, accounting, knowledge to them, and the tech, the tech parts, accounting softwares that they can use on a daily basis. People when no get smartphone, we feel help them do the accounting for them. So all those small things where we feel implement for the market woman. I'm sure that way when they, get to do it over and over again, they will start, getting very accountable, very structured, and their business will move from just selling on the street or selling in the market to actually owning a store and employing other people.
As it stand like this, I don't go tell you like the best way to protect yourself now say make that picture no come out for your phone, send give another person, because we never really get, apart from laws and regulations around this thing, we never really get anything where if you report to social media, then those pictures will just disappear from online or from people's phone. It never did yet. So the biggest way to protect yourself is say make as they sweet you, they sweet them. Tomorrow if you know sweet them as they sweet you, or if you know sweet you and they sweet them too. So when that won't happen, some people they change from what you sabi. So don't trust anybody with pictures that are intimate to you. No trust anybody with that kind of information. However, if it don't happen already, say a person they use this kind of information, they threaten you, I will advise say make you keep every form of communication where that person don't communicate with you. If possible, if they call you for phone to tell you, either you record the call or you lure the person if he send you as text, as message when they type. Then you keep every form of communication with that person, then hire a lawyer, because now only legal means right now you feel chase the matter. The good thing is say as this awareness don't they come out, say people don't do this kind of thing, it don't they happen, say people don't take them seriously as well. But make you no pay any money to anybody top on say just say they won't release your picture, because where you go won't stop, you go start but if you stop her, you go continue, they ask for more money. So no pay any money, but go law enforcement. For me, my biggest challenge was that phase in my life, where after childbirth, coming back into mainstream, to become a person where people will find come again for her skills, because I be that kind of person where I dey look and say I won't get opportunity because I'm a woman. I won't get opportunity because I be the best person for the
because
job.
I sabi do
And because I sabi do am. So if you be look left or right, whether a man or woman, I for still become the person who for truth give the opportunity.
For me, not barrier, but I know make am become barrier for me, right? Normally, say if I be woman, I can't petite, I can't small, back on. You go bid for jobs, they go say, oh, this small girl. And I'm like, maybe because I don't look my age, but still, I still hear that, and you go still meet people who won't take advantage of you because before I give you job, you go rub my back, you go do all those kind of things. But one thing where I don't learn for this journey, we say, if you know your work, they go call you, they go find you, they go give you the job. If you are very persistent and if you are excellent, when they go say, oh, rub my back, if not, no work, they go find you, because when they go around, they don't see person with you.
Everybody they go feel the
exactly. So and how you carry yourself as well. But you will find it as a woman. How God created us, we're attractive and all of that. They go one block you, say, oh, this one, she don't know what she they do. When you enter this industry, I don't hear plenty things. Sometimes you go even get the job, they go say now because she sleep with that man, now why she take get the job. So it is normal. And as an entrepreneur, you guys get strong chest, dust everything, because they will throw it at you. So it's always that barriers are there, but you just have to, overcome it and move on.
I would talk say make you start time, make they think how you go, make you start time with your own money first, because money you go need money to run am.
See, just start. I know some people they go say, oh, everybody they do am. See, there is no industry where never crowd like Nigerians, especially if I start something today, 20 million other Nigerians will start am. No be so startup start. Fintech, everybody don't do fintech. Makeup, everybody not do makeup. So if you have a passion to start a movement, something positive, start. Just start. Start small, but start. You know, don't look at your background, don't look at the money you have, don't look at your community, don't look at how strong it is yet. Even if it's 5 followers you have, na so church they start. You know, from clap, na in dance they start. So your 5 members
And then
carry them and start a movement. Just start. It won't be perfect, but just start. My name na Precious Eniayekong. I dey wish every woman happy International Women's